Hello guys. Hi guys. Today I'm going to make kashayam, which is very good for cold season, especially for cold season. So for that, the materials which we need is coriander powder, which is 200 grams, 100 grams of cumin powder. This is what I'm using. Then I have pepper powder, which is going to be 100 grams. Then I have dry ginger powder, which I have ground at home. Then I have turmeric, which is available in all households, in Indian households. Then I do have jaggery powder. And after this, we'll be making the rasam also. This can go as rasam powder. It can also go as a kashayam, which you just put it in boiled water, mix it and drink it out. So for that, I'm going to add coriander powder. So coriander powder, I'm adding 200 grams. That's 100. That is 150. That's 200. Okay. Now I'll be adding a little bit of jaggery powder, or let's say around 50 grams of it would be enough, because in rasam also we're going to add more. That has to be 250. That's 250. Okay. Then I have black pepper powder, which is going to be 100 grams. Then I have cumin powder, which is going to be 100 grams. You can also add mint or tulsi leaves to this. Even when you are making rasam, we usually add curry patta and kothmeer, coriander. So it's 50 grams of cumin powder. Then I have another 50 grams, that's going to be 100 grams of cumin powder. So 200 grams of coriander powder, 100 grams of cumin powder, 100 grams of, yeah, it's exactly, and just bring it at 0. Then I'm going to add 50 grams of dry ginger powder. So I'll just push it a little back so we'll be able to see. I wanted to create a lot of heat, so that's 46, 48, 49, 50. Then I have a lot of turmeric powder, so you can see. Almost 40 grams of turmeric powder I've added. So I'm going to mix it with spoon. In the meanwhile, what I'm going to do is I've taken a ball size of tamarind. So I'm going to add water in this and I'm going to start boiling it. So I'm just pouring 1 liter of water, almost, yeah. That is 1 liter of water with a little bit of tamarind, and I'm just going to boil it in. Yes, the stove is there. Okay, this I have to mix it with the spoon now. So next, I'm going to put the tomato in there, and of course salt. And of course, I'm going to put a little bit of salt in it. Salt is according to taste, so I'm just putting a half a teaspoon of it. Now, this has to be mixed. I'm removing the weighing machine. I'll just mix this. This is getting boiled. I'm using silicone spatula to mix it properly. As you can see, it is getting mixed properly. Or you can put it in the mixer and give it a whirl. Okay. So I'm making a rasam out of it now. This is also a homemade remedy which is going to create a lot of heat. Good for cold cough. Right? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a tablespoon of it in my rasam. Just push it forward so that you're able to see straight. Yes. Okay, tablespoon and a half. Again, the heat is according to your taste. So tablespoon and a half should be fine. So let me give tadka for this. So in a bowl, I've taken a little bit of ghee, then rai and jeera and dry chili. I'm going to add a little bit of hing. Okay. Now heat it on the stove. The tadka is almost ready now. You can see it's fluttering. You can hear it's fluttering. It's ready. So I'll just going to put it in the vessel. Now once this boils, then the rasam is ready. And I'm adding kea mint to it, mint leaves instead of when it's boiling. come in too much. So let's put it in this way. I want to add Kea mint, dried mint to it, almost a teaspoon, to give it nice flavor. Now this rasam is ready, as you can see. It smells wonderful also because of the tadka. The rasam is ready and you can enjoy it as rasam, or you can take the kashayam 1 tablespoon in 250 ml of water. That water has to be a little warm or a little hot. I won't say hot, it should be warm. So you mix it and drink it. Thank you for watching.